Hello guys, so this is unboxing. So this is super baklava Niyazi Usta. Okay, so look at this box guys. So super baklava Niyazi Usta. So this is what's inside. So that one, this is bigger box and this is a smaller box.
Got the knife there.
So let's open it. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at this guys. It's amazing. It is so yummy. So this is baklava. This is baklava. This is baklava. It's yummy. So this green is what is pistachio, ground pistachio.
Some are pistachio, some are walnut.
Which one? The inside.
Yeah, this is a mixed.
Oh, so and this one? So this one is like doma.
Yeah, they're all like that. There's different varieties.
Different varieties.
How about the small one? Probably the same.
Okay, so let's open
Supposed
this
to be
one.
25 pieces, so
25
didn't
pieces.
fit in there.
Oh, see. So I thought you bought another one, a smaller one. Okay. So they get nice box.
Yeah, nice box, nice bag. I just hope the baklava is nice as well.
So, so it's very presentable, guys. It's so nice. Ta-da! Oh my god. So, but this one is there's no pistachio on top. There's no ground pistachio on top. So there's 2, 4, 6. And then this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. 24, 28. Wow, 28.
So they put 3 extra.
3 extra.
10, yeah, supposed to be 25.
Oh. So that one.
Because it's the first time I bought
So
from
that is so yummy. Oh my god. Amazing.
Amaze.
Amaze. Yum, yum, yum. You can eat this in one go, in one sitting.
Yes, definitely.
Nice. Okay, so I'll get a fork. I don't need that one. So which one I will eat first? This? Just look at that. Yummy. Mmm. It is so sweet and moist.
Is it with proper butter or is it good?
It's really,
So it's
proper
proper
butter.
Gaziantep style?
yeah, it's so nice. So this is not Gaziantep, is
No.
it? It's very nice. I think this is nicer than Gaziantep.
I got this through Just Eat.
It is really yummy.
Bon appetit, you know?
So nice. Oh.
Later. Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, guys.
No.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the unboxing for today, and this is so yummy. Baklava. Yum, yum, yum. And I like the box. Look at that.
Yeah,
It's
the bag.
yeah. So it's in. So I'll tell you.
Stock Newington.
681 High Road, Tottenham.
Is it?
Yeah, High Road, Tottenham, London.
It's at Stoke Newington, I think. And
The like business center, Tottenham, Tariff Road, Tottenham. So they got
maybe they got more than one branch.
yeah. They
But
got,
the other side, is it the same?
yeah, it's the same. Tottenham. It's both Tottenham. Super baklava ni Yazi Usta. Baklava kadayif dondorma pasta salono. I can read Turkish.
Yes.
So this is nice, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. We have to eat this fast.
While it's fresh.
Because it's so yummy. I want to eat this thing. The what is this? What
Hold
is
it in your
this?
hands.
Nuts.
You can hear the crunch.
I don't know which one to eat first.
Yeah, try
Oh,
them
I
all.
already ate this.
Try them all bit by bit.
I like the pistachio. Yeah. I love pistachio. It's yummy. And this one. So I have to eat this. Also, this is like mukbang, guys. It's unboxing and mukbang.
Mukbang. Bon appetit. Wait.
Yummy. I can't stop it. Oh, my mouth is full. I can't stop eating. I think I like this.
Okay.
I like this. I like this baklava shop. They make nice baklava. It's amazing. Yummy.
So next time we know where to get it from again.
Yeah.
Super baklava.
Yeah. So guys, if you're interested to buy this baklava, then let me know in the, in the comment section below. Then I will get in touch with the owner. Let's see if they can give us discount.
It's not in this area.
Yeah, I know. I'm just kidding, guys. But if you want to buy, then you know, I told you this is the price. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.